Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we have a must-have accessory for all you projector enthusiasts out there: the Viewsonic PJW-MK007 Universal Projector Ceiling Mount. In this video, we'll take a close look at this ceiling mount and explore its features, installation process, and benefits. So, if you're planning to set up a projector at home or in your office, stay tuned. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an exciting product review. The Viewsonic PJW-MK007 Universal Projector Ceiling Mount is designed to make your projector setup a breeze. It's compatible with a wide range of projectors, and its robust construction ensures stability and reliability. Let's get into the specifics. First, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Viewsonic PJW-MK007 boasts a sturdy construction, made to last. It's designed to securely hold your projector on the ceiling, and it's compatible with most projectors on the market. The black finish gives it a sleek and modern look that blends well with any room. Now, let's delve into the key features of this ceiling mount. The Viewsonic PJW-MK007 is compatible with a wide range of projectors, making it a versatile choice for various setups. Setting up this ceiling mount is a breeze, and in just a few simple steps, you'll have your projector securely mounted on the ceiling. You can adjust the height of the mount to achieve the perfect projection angle for your needs. Built to withstand the test of time, this ceiling mount is made from high-quality materials. Its sleek and minimalistic design complements the aesthetics of your room. Now, let's briefly go through the installation process. We won't cover every single step here, but I'll give you an overview. Find the optimal location on your ceiling for the projector. Use the included hardware to attach the ceiling plate securely. Attach the projector mount to your projector. Align the projector mount with the ceiling plate and secure it in place. Adjust the height and angle to ensure the perfect projection. So, why should you consider the Viewsonic PJW-MK007 Universal Projector Ceiling Mount for your setup? Ceiling mounting your projector frees up valuable floor or table space. Say goodbye to messy cables and clutter. This mount keeps everything neat and tidy. Achieve the perfect projection angle and distance with the adjustable features. You can trust Viewsonic's reputation for quality and reliability. In conclusion, the Viewsonic PJW-MK007 Universal Projector Ceiling Mount is a fantastic accessory for anyone looking to take their projector setup to the next level. Its universal compatibility, easy installation, and durability make it a standout choice. Plus, it helps you create a clean and organized entertainment or presentation area. That wraps up our review of the Viewsonic PJW-MK007 Universal Projector Ceiling Mount. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, if you have any questions or want to see more product reviews, leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.